Hello again YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's been about a year since I made my first welding sculpture, so in this video I take a look at the progression of the sculpture so far, and also a few projects that haven't made it to videos. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright, that's it. We've come to the end of the video now. I really appreciate it if you made it this far into the video. Hopefully it's giving you ideas for your own projects, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, I ask that you go down, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.